Hi.
Hi. It's our last day, full day in Coeur d'Alene. We leave tomorrow morning. Kind of sad, because we love it here. But
we know we'll be back.
We know we'll be back, yes. And so we're here on the boardwalk again. I feel like we've come to the lake at least twice a day, every day this week. Here just having a couple coffees in the morning, enjoying the quiet before it gets too hot. And then we'll definitely be back out on Tubbs Hill for happy hour later today.
That way.
That
yep.
way. Over there.
There it is.
Over there.
Other than that, we're moving to Spokane tomorrow. Not exactly the most scenic spots, but there's this really cool, huge garden with tons of flowers. And I love photographing weeds, much less flowers. So
we'll definitely
that'll be fun.
There.
Yeah. Hopefully I'll get my camera back before then. I have not gotten my camera back yet, but the part we paid extra to have it overnighted for 2 days. Hopefully the guy's able to get it done over the weekend, and I'll have it back before we leave, but we'll see. There's that.
There's that. We got out of here, no problem. Because Steve's good. Good job.
Thank you. No disrespect to Spokane, but not exactly looking forward to Spokane. It's supposed to be 99 degrees on Monday. But the most important thing is we had to leave where we really like being. You know how we always like look for like real estate prices as we go from place to place? Well, we did that here, but it went to a whole other level. So we'll see what happens in the future. Needless to say, if you're ever in the area in northern Idaho, Coeur d'Alene is the place to be. At least for a week or 2 or 3.
We highly recommend it.
We highly recommend it.
Goodbye, Idaho. Hello, Washington. So this should be our exit to go to the KOA outside of Spokane. But we're not going there right now. Where are we going?
We have some time to kill before we can check into the KOA here in Spokane, because check-in's at 2 and check-out in Coeur d'Alene was at 12.
11.
And we had that extended to 12.
Yeah, and they wouldn't let us do early check-in. I tried calling, and they said, go to the mall. Well, Steve had a better idea.
Yes, so what we're doing now is we're just gonna drop by the gym, get a workout in, waste some time. We have a nice big parking spot here, so we fit just fine. So we're gonna go in, work out, then come back, and by the time we're done and we actually get to the KOA, we think it'll be about 2 and ready for check-in.
It's a little warm, but we have the windows open and the fans going, and since it's still pretty early in the day, we think the dogs will be okay. But if it were later in the day, this wouldn't work because it's gonna be like 95 here today.
All right, let's get going.
Workout complete. It is now 1:45. It's gonna take us 15 minutes to get there, so we will be getting there right at check-in, which will be perfect. And looking forward to getting all set up and getting the AC on. It is starting to get warm.
Well, it serves us right for leaving Coeur d'Alene. We get to our new site, we get all hooked up, everything's good, we're all stable and level. We kick on the AC and the power pedestal isn't delivering enough power to run our AC's compressor. And it's supposed to be like 99 degrees on Monday because there's always record heat wherever we happen to go. So we're gonna have to pack back up, rehitch, and move down 2 sites. Unfortunately, it's too far down for us to just test without moving because we don't have a cable nearly that long. So, it's not always a vacation. Here we are in our new site. Got the power hooked up through our surge suppressor. We actually have a little bit more room over here now. It's still not the greatest power we've ever had, but at least it's enough to run the compressor on our air conditioner. So that sucker is on. So we should be okay, but this campground's only gonna fill up, which means more and more rigs are gonna use a lot more power. So hopefully it stays this way. That's the summer for you. I think it might be an early happy hour tonight.
It's 3:30, that's not so early. It's already 5 o'clock on the East Coast.
That seems awfully early though.
Yeah.
Actually, it's 6:30 on the East, which means we're late. It just shows you how in this lifestyle, you can go from pretty much on top of the world, which we were in Coeur d'Alene, to completely frustrated here in Spokane. And sweaty because it's hot.
A 30-minute moving day can become a 4-hour moving day between not being able to get here for check-in because you had to be here 2, so we went and we stayed at Planet Fitness, got our workout in at least. Got here, pulled in, got all set up, and the AC just it couldn't keep it on. You told them about it?
I told them all about this, yeah.
Well, then we switched sites, and now we can barely keep it on. We have to watch everything else that's on, but...
We switched our refrigerator over from electric to gas.
Yeah. So
we're using propane even though we're plugged in, but you know what? It's a small price to pay for air conditioner when it's in the upper 90s. In the upper 90s. I might, I don't want to jinx it by telling you, but I've already let the cat out of the bag, so I might as well finish. Might get my camera back tonight. The part came in, he sent me a text saying that I might be able to get it done tonight. Would you like to pick it up if I'm able to get it done, or wait until Monday? No, I'm not waiting. I want it now.
So we'll take you there if that happens.
We haven't actually, we'll take you. It's not fixed yet, but if it is, getting it tonight, which will be really cool. Okay, enough jabbering. I'm sure you have more important things to do. I got my camera back. I got my camera back. Which is what I'm filming on now, because we forgot the other one. So it worked out well that I got the camera back. I don't have the dead cat, so you might get some wind noise. Sorry about that. We're downtown Spokane, checking out some happy hour.
Now I have an hour and 3 minutes.
That's fine. Gin rosé.
No, I'm gonna have margarita. You're gonna have
We're back from happy hour. Everything went well. We are going to enjoy tonight's sleep. I'll leave you with a little sunset. See you tomorrow.